You started your business to grow a company, but look at your calendar. Most weeks, you are working a second, unpaid job as an administrative engine. Every morning, you face a wall of friction. Unread emails piling up, client quotes needing manual typing, supplier invoices waiting for entry, and staff schedules requiring endless phone calls to organize. This friction is a systemic admin tax, a penalty paid in lost hours and missed leads that accumulates regardless of how hard you or your team work. To reclaim your growth, you must detach your personal time from daily operational mechanics. The margin for error in the UK is shrinking. National insurance costs are rising, and the software platforms you rely on are quietly hiking their subscription prices every single year. Consider this trend. As the cost of overhead, like hiring extra admin staff just for data entry, climbs, it intersects and chokes out your profit margins. Expanding your headcount to solve manual problems is becoming prohibitively expensive. You've likely heard the hype about AI building sci-fi robots. In reality, you don't need a chatbot that writes poetry. You need robust, practical tools that fix specific bottlenecks in your daily operations. Eliminating that admin tax requires 3 specific AI automations designed for the modern SME. The first bottleneck is the front-end sales leak. Imagine a high-value lead fills out a contact form on your website at 7 p.m. on a Tuesday, while you are occupied on a job site or in back-to-back meetings. If you take 24 hours to reply because you were stuck in the field, that prospect has often already moved on to your competitor. We solve this with instant lead triage. The moment an inquiry arrives via email, web form, or WhatsApp, an intelligent agent analyzes the request in seconds. The system follows a clear logic. It hits this central AI filter, checks client history, and instantly splits the path. It sends a booking link to the client for immediate follow-up while routing a high-priority alert directly to your mobile. This entire process happens 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with a response time of under 30 seconds. Qualifying and capturing leads instantly without human intervention directly protects your top-line revenue. Next, we have the back-end finance leak. Many firms lose dozens of hours every week as staff manually copy figures off supplier invoices and receipts into accounting software. A zero-touch document pipeline automates this. It triggers the moment an invoice or quote arrives in your email inbox. Instead of manual typing, the system extracts line items, VAT figures, and PO numbers as distinct digital blocks. The data is then cross-referenced for accuracy and pushed directly into Xero or QuickBooks without a human ever touching a keyboard. A process that used to take an administrator 4 hours every Friday now happens automatically in 5 seconds. Removing human touchpoints from your documentation reclaims staff hours and eliminates costly manual accounting errors. Finally, we address the internal leak. Relying on disconnected tools, one software for scheduling, another for training, and spreadsheets for tracking, creates operational chaos. For instance, onboarding a new employee often requires logging into 3 different platforms just to set up accounts and send welcome emails. We replace this manual work with custom operational architecture, linking your fragmented tools into a single unified system. When a trigger occurs, like a new hire being added, this central hub activates, simultaneously provisioning accounts, updating staff schedules, and generating progress reports across all platforms. Your backend begins to operate as a single synchronized engine, providing the stability required to grow your operations. Custom automation serves as an operational lever, allowing UK SMEs to outcompete much larger rivals without the need for enterprise-level IT budgets. At Zev IQ AI, we build custom digital infrastructure rather than selling generic, bloated software subscriptions. We audit your existing workflows to identify your biggest bottlenecks and build automated systems tailored specifically to your company's needs. Visit zeviqai.co.uk today to book your free automation audit and discover how much time and money you can reclaim. Removing manual admin creates the operational headroom needed to grow, allowing you to increase your capacity and revenue without being forced to double your headcount. Zev IQ AI. Smart systems, infinite scale.